Hello everyone, welcome to Kuenlin. It's very glad to be here at 2022 Taipei Automation Fair with our co-partner Full Life Trading. Today we're going to show you the Kuenlin's latest product with digital pricing die solution, which can help you to prevent tool unscheduled breakdown and reduce the expensive repair cost, production loss when it comes to die damage. As you can see, it's easily to install at every pressing die and the robot hands as well. With this detector, you can see the customer is able to monitor the production process and identify quality defects through dashboard. When it's out of the tolerance, system will be instantly alert when the die damage likely to happen or the falling bodies be detected. So you can stop the process in advance and react to them. Highlights is remaining useful life could be predicted, so the customer could arrange the maintenance work before downtime and maximize the die lifetime. With RFID applied on each die, production tracking can be automatically and more efficiency, and you could connect with MES and the ERP system. It helps you into the fourth industrial revolution. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in any digital die solution, please contact us and don't forget to subscribe our channel.